Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can check the RAM usage in MacBook. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the launchpad, and after opening the launchpad, as you can see in the other section, so we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, it has an option for the activity monitor. So we have to click on the activity monitor, and after clicking on the activity monitor, here you will be able to see all the current and active apps here. So simply what we need to do, we have to, if you want to see the apps and usage and all the things, you can see the here. If you want to check out the details of the apps which are currently in usage, you can also view that from here. So simply what we need to do, we have to click on the memory section. As you can see, the memory section. So after clicking on the memory section, as you can see here, you will be able to see the details like the memory used and the HA file used and the physical memory used and all the things are provided here, like the 8 GB and all. If you want to check out that which software is using which MB, you have to click on that, and after clicking on that, as you can see here, you will be able to see all the details of those apps or all those software. So in this way you can check out that how much memory is being used or how much RAM is being used. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.